from the house, but it's kind of my fault. Like if I leave stuff, you know.
Mm-hmm. Oh wait, do I need to check this? Is that like bad?
I leave it like that.
You know, I was taught in art school that you're not supposed to really buy specific colors. You're supposed to kind of make your own. But one of my favorite things is going to the art store because it's like, I just want these colors together. Like, you know, like I don't want to make them. I just think they look good. I'm such a like window shopper of paint. Like I just want those. I want those colors. What is it? What do I need to say?
My name is Jenna Hancock,
Oh, yeah.
and this is my Knoxville.
My name is Jenna Hancock, and this is my Knoxville. I kind of didn't appreciate the South very much when I was young, and then one day I started thinking like how colorful it was here. Like it's just a colorful place to live, and what better way to express that than like paint about the South, paint about Knoxville, you know? All the words run together. It's like we have our own language. It's a dialect, it's a language, it's a way of life, and it's super interesting. I mean, Knoxville has so many characters, you know? It's like everybody is hilarious. And if I can just capture that and make people laugh, then I think it makes people more aware of where they live. And if they can laugh about it, then that's great. And the people, like Kaz Walker and Lady Mull and all these things that I've heard of that may not be of my generation, but they're stories nonetheless, and they're funny, and they're like these icons of the South, and they serve as sort of shrines. Like Lady Gaga ain't got nothing on Lady Mull to me. The South can be glamorous and sort of ridiculous at the same time.
Yeah.
Knoxville could be a better suited place to make art even than New York, because you can really talk about culture more here, I think. And as long as there is Knoxville, there'll be inspiration, because it gets my gears turning more than anything else I've ever painted. So. Sometimes people say art can't be funny, but I think life is funny, so. Especially life in the South.